Hi everyone, welcome to our video about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an open source natural language processing framework for building conversational AI. It enables developers to quickly build and deploy powerful database and other natural language applications. ChatGPT is designed to be easy to use with a powerful and extensible API and is built on top of Google's TensorFlow and OpenAI's GPT-3. In this video, we'll discuss the basics of ChatGPT, how it works and why it's useful. We will also take a look at some of the features and capabilities of ChatGPT and how you can use it to create your own chatbot. So let's get started. ChatGPT is based on the transformer architecture, which is a type of artificial neural network that uses attention mechanisms to process natural language. This allows it to understand the context of our conversation as well as the relationships between words and phrases. ChatGPT is designed to be easy to use with a simple API that allows developers to quickly create powerful conversational AI applications. It also has an advanced API for more experienced users who want to customize their chatbot or build more complex applications. Chatbot can be used to create chatbots for a variety of applications such as customer service, product recommendations, language translation, and more. It also supports a wide range of languages including English, Spanish, French, and German. We hope you enjoyed our video about ChatGPT with its powerful and extensible API. It's a great tool for creating natural language applications. Thanks for watching.